Hello, Miss Gray. Good morning. This is Clancy. In order to let you know how to adjust the box, different box size, so today we take this video for you. The first step, let's add to adjust the box length first.
Okay.
Please see here.
Okay.
Here have a screw inside, like this one.
Okay, I saw it.
We need to use these tools.
Okay, this one.
We will prepare these tools on toolbox.
It's free for you.
Yes. We just put on here
Okay.
and to rotary.
Okay.
If we rotary
part?
on this way, this whole part will forward.
Okay.
Yes. Do you see? Here have a guide,
Yes.
and there also have a guide.
Yes, I saw it.
Yes. If we forward to this way, this whole part will be back.
So.
Yes, the box will shorter.
Okay, the length will be shorter.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the way to adjust the
Box
length.
length.
Okay,
Yes.
so how to adjust the box wide?
Okay, the second step, let's introduce how to adjust the box words.
Okay.
This
part.
words.
Okay.
Do you see? Here have a part.
Yes, screw to screw.
Yes. The first step, we need to lose this screw and this screw.
Okay.
And use a spanner to rotary this one. Anytime, if we rotary on this way, the box will become bigger. Words will become bigger.
Okay, so this part is to which part of here? We can show to the your
Yes.
customer here.
Here
Okay,
is box words.
I see.
If we rotary on this way, this will become bigger.
Okay.
If we rotary on this way, it will become short.
Okay,
So-
that is very easy to adjust the different box wide through
Yes.
this
Now,
part.
yeah.
Okay, now how to adjust?
Now let me introduce how to adjust the box height.
Okay,
Please check here.
你接过去。
The first step, we need to lose this air cylinder screw first.
Okay, this one, this screw.
Yes, loose. And we lose this screw.
Okay, let me show. Yeah, this screw.
Then we use spanner to here. If we tighten this screw,
Yes.
this part will be pushed on this way.
Okay.
And the box height will become higher.
So we show you how is the work.
Check it here.
Okay.
If we push on this way, this whole part will be up this whole part, and the box height will become higher.
Okay, so that one is control this part.
Yes.
I see. So
That's very easy.
okay,
That's very easy for everyone to adjust. No technical.
okay.
Yes. And for your product,
Yes.
only have two sides. We only need to adjust the length.
Okay.
We only need to use this tool to adjust this part.
Yeah.
Control it forward and back to
Yes.
adjust.
I think it's very clear. Okay.
Yes.